Here's the package. VR. It's Amazon. Oh shit. Fuck. It's not that heavy though. I have things in my hand. Really freaking frustrating. Just gonna turn away. Don't you think it's too light? This bag is too light. People always told me to get what to do. Young girls aren't. Hey, hey, jeans, no, just a girl. What do you mean? Anyway. Yeah. I'll just record after I get up and rest. Time for unboxing. It's on the desk. Just quickly grab my scissors. Scissors. Where's the scissors? What the fuck are my scissors? Oh, there. Okay. I just quickly open box and you know what, I'll just use wide lens to record because this FOV is too small. There we go. Now you can probably see more, but the video quality won't be so good because cheapen. Cover. I can just open it right now. Okay. Why half of this bag is empty? Okay. Okay, this is the thing from Facebook. From Meta, dude. Mess that shit up, dude. Okay, and warning, some warnings. Oculus, some shit. 128 gigabyte. Okay. Yeah. Just cut this off. Cut, the plastic out. Okay. Obviously, there's some branded games, which we don't care. Okay, nice packaging. Hard to open. Having no idea how to open this box. Maybe it just needs to push. Okay, like this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, for Oculus, no, some shit like that. And open it. Wow, so new. Did it came with a... At least it came with a fucking head strap. Okay, there's a line. Came with. At least it came with a line at not... Oh shit, it's Type C to Type C, dude. Oh shit. That may be some questionable question. That maybe cause some problems. Okay, these are handhelds. These are hand straps, or yeah, these are hand straps, not lines. Okay, I have no idea how to put this up. Put this out. Oh, by grabbing that, and a glass spacer. Yeah, what that is. I don't wear glasses. Nobody gives a shit about that shit. Okay, what's this? Okay, what's that? Silicone cover. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Silicone cover. I don't know what's that. Seems like a move lenses. Oh shit, the focus. Move lenses left or right. Oh my god. Move lenses left or right to find clearest view. Okay. Oh, that's real bad. I will read it for you, okay? No sunlight on lenses. No liquid cleaners. So, okay. Cleaning it by special things, okay. I could accept that. I mean, most of the lens says that. I mean, clearly no water. Okay, that's the VR itself. Device itself, at least. There's a sticker. It says up. Okay, I mean, just. Oh shit, it's gonna fill. Does this come with a battery? I'm just gonna firstly wear it. Oh shit. I hear a clack, dude. Holy shit. It's plastic. Well, that is a little bit less nice. Wow. Okay. Well, now I know what those fucking these dudes. That's awful to wear with. If you know what I'm talking about, yeah. Anyway, you really need one of those rubber straps. I'll just quickly do this on. I need two hands to do this shit. Can't really just do it with one hand. How am I going to do this though? Are there any helper? No? Okay. I'll just do it my own. Is this the way to do it though? I have no idea what I'm doing now. What is this? How to get this? How to do it? I have short nose. And there's light popping in. That is clearly not fucking right. How am I going to wear this on the device? Oh my god. How am I going to do this? Are there any manuals? Is this the manual? It probably is. Reference guide. Okay. Lens adjustment. Quick start. Pull those out. Pull that. Start. Put this in. But it have leak light, dude. There's leaking. There's a fucking. It's not pure black. I don't have that long nose, bruh. Maybe this will help. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. Never mind. Okay, I see a no. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Maybe I can't turn this camera off now. I mean, it's a full unboxing, okay? I mean, there's something showing on my screen. I can't really record you, so what else can I really, you know? So yeah, goodbye. Maybe that's the whole video. So, a short incoming. I am currently on somebody's car that is going to take me to the restaurant. I have a date on some people, and current status is my Quest 2. I am not an adult, so I can't really have a Visa card, so I couldn't really turn on developer options. If I can, through some magical softwares, my computer don't really have Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth. So the final result is I am pleasing my mother to take her ThinkPad. So currently she have two computers or laptops. One is MacBook from way back in 2015, and a ThinkPad maybe from 2019, 2020, 2020, about that time. Yeah, she's gonna bring her ThinkPad back to our home, and I can, the ThinkPad have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so I can activate and update my firmware through that. I live in China because because I live in China, I can't really update the firmware or activating my Quest 2 because there's no access to Facebook or Meta's server, and also accessing Oculus server from China is absolutely a pain in the butt. So I've tried using proxy servers like Clash on LAN, share, something like that, but it don't work. It only work with TDP connections, but not UDP connections. And due to this firmware update on Quest 2 is based on UDP connection, I can't really get the update. Although I can verify the account, activate my Quest 2, but I can't really update my Quest 2 firmware. So yeah, really friggin' bad. I just stare at it every day or every hour with doing nothing. I tried everything. I asked Taobao. I asked every people that I can get contact with. I asked everyone, but without the right devices, I just can't get it to work. So yeah, maybe see you guys after some time. After I get home and I got my ThinkPad on work. So yeah, see you guys probably in the next video, or there's a coming up. I don't really know. Yeah, bye.